Hi, boys and girls. Hi to all the mummies and daddies at home. My name is Elenna, and I'm going to take you through a kids yoga class today. We're going to start sitting in our spaces, crisscross. Nice long spine, just like that. And we're going to think about somebody that you love. I want you to close your eyes, and we're going to take 3 big balloon breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. One more. Great job. Let's begin. We're gonna start in butterfly. So you're gonna bring the soles of your feet together. We're gonna open up our knees like butterfly wings. We're gonna flap our wings a little bit, opening into our hips today. Great. Next, we're gonna change from a butterfly to a caterpillar. So we're gonna stretch our legs out. And I want you to reach for your toes. Are you ready? We're gonna take 3 breaths here. We're gonna reach for your toes. See how close you can get today. 2 more big breaths. Reaching as far as you can, just like that. We're gonna go into boat pose. So we're gonna keep our legs stretched out in front of us, bending up our knees just a little bit. We're gonna reach forward and make our bodies like boats. And I want you to see if you can rock side to side just a little bit, riding the waves of the water in your boat, using your nice, strong muscles here. Good job. Awesome work. We're gonna go into dragonfly next. So you're gonna open up your legs nice and wide. And I want you to walk your hands forward just like that. And we're gonna take 3 breaths here. I want you to see how far you can reach with your legs open nice and wide. Ready? There's 1 big breath. Let's do 2 more. Good job. Let's see how far you can reach. Really good job. Let's walk all the way up. We're gonna lay down on our backs. And I want you to stretch your feet up all the way like you're trying to put your feet on the ceiling. We're gonna reach up to our toes. Are you ready? Reach and all the way back down. Let's do that 2 more times. Are you ready? Reach and all the way back down. Good job. Let's do it once more. Reach, 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 reach. Can you touch your toes? And then all the way down. Really good job. We're gonna put our feet on the floor, keeping our knees bent. And we're gonna go into bridge pose. So our palms are down on our mats or on the floor, and you're gonna lift your hips up, making your body look like a bridge. Just like that, good job. We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? In through the nose, out through the mouth. You're doing great. 1 more breath. And we're gonna slowly let the bridge come down. Great job. We're gonna bend up our knees. We're gonna go into happy baby. So you're gonna grab onto the outside edges of your feet, open up your knees wide, and we're gonna just rock side to side, just a little bit here. We're rocking our happy babies. Yeah, good job. Nice. Giving ourselves a really big hug, hugging your knees into your chest. Great job. We're gonna take 1 big stretch here. So I want you to reach your toes and your legs down, arms up. Make yourself as tall as you can. 3 big breaths here. Ready? Good, stretching. Last breath, reach, 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 reach. Good job, we're gonna stand up now. all the way up. And we're gonna stand in mountain pose. So your feet on the floor, we're gonna reach our arms down. I want you to stretch up through the top of your head. We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Good job. Last breath. Good job, boys and girls. Next, we're gonna go into rocket pose. So we're gonna bring our arms over our head and we're gonna turn into a rocket. I want you to reach all the way up to the sky. Good. And let's try reaching to one side. Good. And then to the other side. Let's go way up to the sky. Oh, great job. We'll go into tree pose next. So we're gonna try to balance on one foot. You can bring your foot to the inside of your leg, trying your best to balance here. We're gonna bring our hands up and grow branches. I want to see if you can reach up, finding your balance here. It's okay if you need to stand on both feet, but trying your best, see if you can balance on one foot. Good job. Let's try the other foot. So we're gonna try to balance on one leg, bringing our foot to the inside of our legs here. Good. We're gonna reach and grow our branches. See how big you can make your trees today. Yeah, just like that. Standing on both feet if you need is great. Good job. We're gonna stand on both feet. We're gonna go into chair pose. So we're gonna sit down like we're in an imaginary chair. We're gonna reach our arms up as high as we can. 3 big balloon breaths here. Ready? Good. Last one. You guys are doing great. Next, we're gonna go into star pose. So our feet open a little wider. We're gonna reach our arms out, make ourselves like a big star. We're gonna take 3 big star jumps. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's reach. Big star. Good job. We're going to airplane pose next. So we're gonna try our best. Again, we're gonna balance on one foot. We're gonna put our arms out like airplane wings. We're gonna try to fly. Are you ready? Trying your best to balance. Good job. You can wiggle and wobble. If you lose your balance, that's okay. You can try again. Trying your best to fly here. Great. Let's try the other leg. Balancing on the other foot. Reach your arms out. And we're gonna try our best to fly. Great job here. Good flying. And we'll come back and stand up. We're gonna go into flamingo pose. Balancing on one foot. We're gonna bend up the other leg, make ourselves into flamingos. Bringing your arms up to make your flamingo wings and doing your best to balance on one foot. Great job. And let's try the other leg, balancing on the other leg. Making your best flamingos. Good. Very nice. We're gonna stand on both feet. We're gonna reach down and we're gonna do toes to sky. So we're gonna reach all the way down to our toes. All the way up to the sky. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Are you ready? All the way down to the toes. All the way up to the sky. Last time, all the way down to your toes. And all the way up to the sky. Great job. We're gonna go into gorilla pose next. So we're gonna bend our knees and put our hands underneath our feet right here. Are you ready? We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Good, keeping the bend here, stretching. Last big breath. And I'll let go of our hands. Good, and we're gonna walk like a gorilla. Are you ready? We're gonna bend our knees. We're gonna let our arms hang. We're gonna walk nice and low like a gorilla. All the way to the end of our space. Turn around and go the other way. You ready? Just like a big gorilla. You guys are doing great. Awesome. Let's do one more gorilla stretch. We're gonna put our hands under our feet again. Are you ready? 3 big breaths here. There's 1. 2, one more breath. Great job. We're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna be gorillas just for a little bit longer. Ready? We're gonna jump from side to side. So we're gonna squat down and we're gonna jump to the other side. Ready? 1, 2, let's do it 2 more times and hop over. 3 and 4 times. Awesome job. We're gonna come back into our chair pose. So we're gonna sit down and pretend we're into our chair, hips all the way down. Can you reach up to the sky? We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Ready? Good job. 1 more big breath. Awesome job. Do you remember toes to sky? We're gonna do it 3 more times. Are you ready? We're gonna reach down to our toes and reach all the way up to the sky. 2 more times. Down to your toes and up to the sky. Last time. All the way down and all the way up. I want you to take a big stretch. Reach all the way up. See if you can touch the ceiling. Ready? Ooh, 1 big breath here. You're reaching so high. What a good job. And come all the way down and kneel down. Settle in here. Good. I want you to think today about your favorite toy. Close your eyes. We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Ready? Last breath. You can open up your eyes and bring our hands to our hearts. I want you to think about somebody that you love. We're gonna end our class like mommies and daddies do with our special word. Are you ready? Namaste. The good in me sees the good in you, and together we are all connected. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for doing yoga with me today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. I will see you soon.